In this segment, you'll learn how to run an Anova using SPSS. Now, let's say I have a hunch that there's a difference between males and females on how often they eat on campus. Sex is a categorical variable. Eat on campus is a continuous variable, so it would be appropriate to run an Anova. Contrast this with the previous example where we did sex, which is a categorical variable, and Taco Bell as their favorite restaurant, which is also a categorical variable, so we used a crosstab. To run an Anova, we go Analyze, Compare Means, One-Way Anova. Since we think there are differences across sex, sex is our factor. And we put eat on as our dependent because we believe how often you eat on campus depends on your sex. The only other thing you need to choose here is under options. You've got to get descriptives. So check that, continue, and OK. And we have our tables here. The numbers you're interested in here are male, female. Males eat on campus, the mean of 4.3. Females eat on campus, their mean of 1.4. Looking at this table, it seems there is a difference with males eating more on campus. But I need to see if it's statistically significant. So I look at my p-value. This time, when you do an Anova, your p-value is here, top line, last number. Even though it says significance, it's not your level of significance. Okay, this is your p-value, which is 0.000 again. Now let's go to our Word document to see what all of this means. Okay, we have HO and H1 again because it's an Anova. HO is there's no difference between males and females on how often they eat on campus. H1, there is a difference between males and females on how often they eat on campus. We're testing at 0.05 level of significance. Okay, here are the tables we saw already, the 4.3 for males, the 1.4 for females, and the p-value of 0.000. Because the p-value, again, is less than the level of significance, which is 0.05, H1 is true. So compared to females who eat on campus 1.4 times a week, males who eat on campus 4.3 times a week are significantly more likely to eat at on-campus restaurants during a week. And that concludes the Anova example. Try it on your own, please.